Nelson and Blenheim for next week's the final 2 rounds of the L Cup. So a very, very good series this has been for Super Saloons, and probably one of the reasons why we are so competitive on the national scale in Super Saloons, and obviously also one of the major reasons why our Super Saloon class has grown. Not so many big numbers of one particular track, but you certainly get them all together, from all parts of the countryside around the South Island, and you've got 20 odd Super Saloons as normal, but these guys are the ones at the front.